Hi, my name is Fanny Martinez, and I'm part of team number 4. And today we are going to present to you the water pollution. First, what is water pollution? Well, water pollution is a contamination of water sources by substances which make the water unusable for drinking, cooking, cleaning, swimming, and other activities. Well, these pollutants include chemical trash, bacteria, and parasites. Then we have the causes of water pollution. And well, I'm going to mention three of them, but it's more than three. So, well, first we have industrial waste. And well, industrial waste is the residuals that an industry left into the water, like petroleum, like trash, like another chemicals. Then we have marine dumping, and marine dumping is any deliberate disposal at sea of waste or other matter from vessels, aircraft, platforms, or other man-made structures at the sea. Then we have sewage and wastewater. Sewage is a part of wastewater that is contaminated with feces or urine, but it's often used to mean any wastewater.
Well, the effects of the water pollution. We have the bomb that we use as example. What is the bomb? Is the all the trash that goes to the beach, and this is super unhealthy and super terrific because imagine all the fishes and the sharks and the dolphins and the crabs and all the things, all the marine life that are in the ocean that are eating the trash that we put on the ocean, and that trash goes to the beaches and to many parts of the world, and this causes very several and horrible pollution in the world. So we can't permit this anymore.
Hi, I am Regina Cáceres and I'm going to explain the current solutions. First, we have the nutrient and chemical pesticides reduction. Well, the chemical fertilizers and pesticides are two of the elements that pollute water the most when used in intensive agriculture. These chemicals end up in the soil and enter aquifers, contaminating one of the most important sources of water available to us. Instead, it is sufficient to make use of natural nutrients and pesticides, which allows the development of an ecological and sustainable agriculture. Then we have another solution that is using clean and renewable energies. Well, in this sense, another measure to avoid water pollution is to make a transition towards cleaner and more environmentally friendly energies, which will help to avoid the presence of these pollutants in the different ecosystems. So it is in the hands of governments, companies, and sciences to use more of these renewable and clean energies and leave behind those are high polluting. Another solution is to pursue and prevent the overexploitation of aquifers. This overexploitation ends up causing the aquifers to dry up, which leads to damage to the entire environment, not only at the agricultural level, but also to damage to the biodiversity of the ecosystem. Therefore, one of the ways to prevent water pollution is to avoid this overexploitation and to prosecute in especially when it done illegally, which is why once again governments must intervene.
Well, now we'll continue with the solutions. So, our first solution involves classes, as we are seeing the topics of the subject of the water, the ecosystems, and all the living organisms. We think that this is not enough because many people, like my classmates or my friends, don't know about the risk and the situation of water pollution. So we thought about the implementation of more practices in the lab, probably about seeing the water bodies or all those organisms that can be produced in a water that is polluted.
So one solution that we can apply to reduce this or to fight against this problematic of water pollution is to reduce the plastic use. We can do this by implementing the using of by ecological and eco-friendly materials instead of using plastic or chemicals as pesticides, because these types of materials could harm lakes, rivers, oceans, seas, etc. So by implementing this solution, we could improve the quality of the water.